What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this video, I'd like to request for every single person watching right now to please like, comment, share, subscribe. It's literally just a few clicks of buttons. Press the bell icon so you know when all the new videos are out. I've got loads of content coming. I'm literally on a marathon right now of just uploads. But yeah, I'd appreciate everyone doing that. And let's get into this one. So I've been doing quite a few clothing reviews now. I want to do more than just sneakers or trainers or whatever you want to call them. You know, show people a lot of things. Sportswear, luxury stuff, trainers, sneakers, you know, the Nikes, the Adidas, Reebok, Umbro, whatever you want to call it. Not Reebok, Umbro, because I haven't done those before, but like, you know, Puma, Louboutin, Valentino, everything. So I've done a few Tech Fleece videos. This is just another one of those with another Tech Fleece that I actually really like. It's quite simple, but it's just quite different at the same time. The black and grey Tech Fleece. So this one is actually a zipped one. This is my first zipped one this year. So I've bought zipped ones before, but definitely not this year. Usually I like the zip ones, sometimes I like the pullover ones. I don't mind, I don't discriminate, but I had to buy this one because I really like it. This one actually only comes in the zipped one. It doesn't come in an overhead hoodie, but I really like it. You know, it's like the windbreaker design or whatever. So let's just quickly get into the joggers. So as you can see with the joggers, it's got the black waistband, then it's grey. It's got the white sticker swoosh, and then the legs and everything else is black all the way to the cuffs. And then the same thing on the back, you know, it's all black on the back. So literally the only bit of grey is that bit on the joggers. Then it's got that all important, this pocket. I love this pocket, man, but they should put another one on the other side, but that's for another time. Or they should put zips on these, but I love this pocket. Very useful. A very useful pocket. Yeah, so that's kind of the joggers. As you can see, slim fit, taper leg, regular length. So I just say go true to your size in these. They are quite loose now, but I like the kind of looser fit. I'm actually wearing a pair right now, so I like the slightly looser fit. I don't really mind the looser fit. If you want them tighter, I'd say go down a size, but I always recommend that if you have a local JD, Foot Locker, Nike store, whatever that sells these, even Foot Asylum, try it on. Always try it on so you know what you like. Don't just try on, like for example, a small and then that's it. Oh, I'm happy with the small. Try on an extra small, try on a medium, try on like a few sizes just to see what works best for you. Then you'll know your size. But yeah, that's just the joggers. Let me put them to the side for a moment. Now this is the hoodie, which I really like. It's got the windbreaker type. You know, they call it a chevron, I believe. So the chevron's got the black, white and grey tape. So obviously black for this bit, white for the, just to be different, and then the grey to match this bit. The same sticker Nike swoosh that's on the joggers. That very important pocket. Not important because I use it. Important because I like the way it looks. I think it, you know, it brings out a normal hoodie from just being boring. You know, I like this on the CP company hoodies and all that stuff. So I like it on this. It's quite nice, you know. It just stands out a bit. It's very, you know, subtle but stands out kind of. And then there's actually, we've got like a bit of a different material on there. I believe that's like a, I don't know. Oh, it's just like a cotton material, yeah. But yeah, so the grey on this is from, I'd say, chest area downwards all the way to the bottom. Then it's got, you know, the black at the bottom, so the waistband, it's not like other hoodies which usually have like a cuff type waistband. It's just literally a little stretch thing. Then with the arm, it's just got a line of grey in the arm, not the full arm. But I love the way they done this, man. And then the back, just plain black. The hood as well, plain black. So I really like this tracksuit, man. I saw it, I was like, yeah, I have to buy this colorway. It just looks good. It's like simple, but it looks nice. I don't think I've ever seen a tracksuit like this before. Usually, you know, it's just black, plain black, which I've reviewed, plain black, which I have, plain grey, which I've also reviewed and I've also got. But this one is just like, you know, split, which I've seen a lot of colors. They've done quite a few colors, Nike, but I don't like all of them. And yeah, so it's very nice. Let's see if those pockets, yeah, decent sized pockets. The zip, you know, good zip. It's like a split zip, so if you wish to undo it at the bottom for whatever reason, you can. I usually, if I do have like a double zip, I just leave it down and then, you know, use this zip however you want. And it's got the same hood style. So the one piece at the top, one piece on one side, one piece on the back, and one piece on the other side. So it's like 4 pieces on the hood. It fits, this bit fits proper on your head and stuff. It's just a good shape hood. I don't know why they've done that, but obviously they have a reason for doing that. But I definitely love this tracksuit, and you know what, I'm not biased or whatever because I have it. A lot of times I don't do this, but I have to give this tracksuit a 10 out of 10, man. It's just, you know, it's just something, it hits so much. It's like the best of both worlds, you know, black tracksuits, grey tracksuits, it's both. I'm proper happy with the way they done it, because sometimes it can be overkill. Sometimes you can do too much when you're designing a tracksuit. So for example, they done the grey, and then, you know, the rest black, and then the back is plain. I think if they done this bit at the back grey as well, same with the hoodie, I think that would look kind of odd. Like that would look quite weird. But I think the way they've done just this, just the front bit different and the back all one color, I definitely think that pops way more than if they did, you know, grey all around, grey like everywhere basically, and then split. It will look like, you know, cotton, so it will look like someone had shorts and they put legs on them, and, you know, it will look weird. But I definitely really like this tracksuit, the Nike Tech Fleece, black and the grey, best of both worlds tracksuit. That's what I'm going to call it, the best of both worlds. Very nice, 10 out of 10 from me. But yeah, people, I've definitely got some more videos coming, like standalone videos with just how it looks, worn and outfits and stuff like that, but I'm yet to do them. I do apologize if you've seen all the other videos and I haven't shown you how it looks. That will definitely be coming soon. Tell me what you think of this tracksuit. Tell me if you've got it. Tell me if you hate it. Tell me if you rate it. Tell me if you want it. I do see that it's selling out quite a lot everywhere, so I'm not sure about sizing. You can just literally search black and grey Nike Tech Fleece, and then the search results will show that up. Yeah, tell me what you think about it, people, and check out all the other Nike Tech Fleece reviews I've done, because I've done 3 others. I've done a plain black one, I've done a plain grey one, and I've done the khaki one with the boot cut bottoms. That was a bit of a crazy one. But yeah, people, man, tell me what you think. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, and most importantly, take care, people.